Hey guys, good morning one and all. This is Hanuman Naik and welcome to our channel. What channel? Smart Study. Right? So in this class I gonna teach you that class 6 and Olympiad mathematics. Class 6 Olympiad mathematics, and we started that after completion of successfully for the men's arithmetic fourth chapter. Again we went in the chapter number 1 is the number system. In the number system, in the previous class I explained to you what is the Hindu Arabic system or Indian system and international system, what is the difference between these two systems. So if you are good with this system, actually this is the 5th standard, 4th standard only. So unfortunately they are giving in the 6th standard number system, Indian system and international system, right? So if you are very good with the Indian system and international system, what is the difference between in that, then your job is easy. If you are clear with that, then your job is easy. Now based on that we will see that one question. See guys, the difference of these two systems I will tell you in simple words. Here see that there is a one number, for example this is the here number. The number is what? 6483, that is 6483, the basic simple number. So in while you are writing the Indian system, our first comma should be that of after 3 digits. Yes or no? After 3 digits. For example, here there is a one more number, like we can write that 1 2 3 5 6 8 9. For example, this is a one number. How to write in Indian system? That is the first target. While you are writing the Indian system, your first comma from the right side to left side, this everybody knows that, after 3 digits, and the next comma should be that after 2 digits and after again 2 digits, but here there is a nothing is there, that's why there is no need to write here. Now this is the way of way of writing the in Indian system is this, to writing an Indian system in this way. So same number can you write in international system? I will write here only 1 2 3 5 6 8 and 9, if this is the number. In how to write in international system, so guys here this is a very important difference between Indian system and international system is, in international system every comma after 3 digits, there is no commas after 2 digits or after 1 digit. After moving forward this number you have to write in Indian system. In Indian system is what? After 1 digit also 1 crore, 2 crores, 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, like that also there is a possibilities, right? But in the here, in this condition, what is that? There is no commas after 2 digits or after 1 digit. All commas after 3 digits only. All commas after 3 digits only. Now see that. Now in Indian system, how to call this number? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, right? So this number I can call it 12 lakhs 35,689. Yes or no? 12 lakhs 35,689 in what? Indian system. In the same number in international system, the same number in international system is, here is also ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Up to 10,000 is common. After that, in Indian system is what? Lakhs. Instead of lakh, here is a what? Instead of lakh, here is a what? Million. Yes, million. And here is millions only. Now see that. Here how to read it is 1 million, the way of expression, reading of the writing this, 1,235,000. See, 1,235,689. Here this is the million and these terms are hundreds. Sorry, this is 1,000 and this is 100. Now 1,235,689 in international system. And repeat again, 1,235,689 235,000. 235,000. See this word. I am reading this 235. After that I am adding that 1000. After million there is a thousand. After that hundreds. 689. That's it. See the difference between Indian system and international system is this. Now see that what they are giving the number. Now this is my own example to explain. Now concentrate what they are giving the problem. 59863 59,863 59,863. We know that. In see that in international system they given this number. Now see, this is the number what they are given. So here observe that all commas after 3 digits. Yes or no? Here how to read the first, this is million, this is thousand, and this is 100. 22,852,486. Now see in words, 22,852,486. That is the word from the international system. To write in Indian system, how to write? In Indian system, how to write the same number? If the number is 22,852,486. How to write in Indian system? Now check it. 3 digits, 2 digits, 2 digits. How to call it this? 2 crores 28 lakhs 52,486. Yes or no? 2 crores 28 lakhs 52,486 in Indian system. So first you have to go with the basics. The basics are how to write in Indian system and international system, and what are the difference, how to call it that. So basic, no one can come in front of you, take the problem and do solution. They will ask that what is the difference between the Indian system and international system. If you are clear with this, then no one can stop you. See the next paper. Here see guys, these are some important points. After completion of class, take your books and try to note it down in your IIT notebook. That is the relation between Indian system and international system is very important. In the previous video I said that from the beginning to ending, that is up to billion also I said what are the relation between the, in Indian system 100 crores, here is 1 billion, 10 crores 100 millions, 1 crore 10 millions, 10 lakhs 1 million. So you do one thing, don't by head from the top to bottom, try to by head from the bottom to top, then you will get easy. The easy manner is what? We know that 10 lakhs up to that 10,000 Indian system and international system are equal. Do you know that? Up to 10,000 Indian system and international system are equal. After that the values are changes. After that what? In Indian system, if there is a 10 lakhs, here is 1 million. After 10 lakhs in Indian system is what? Crore na? After lakhs 99 lakhs, after that what? Crore. So if there is a 1 crore, here 10 millions, here this 10 move to this side. After 1 crore, there is a next number is what? 10 crores. This 1 0 is they are adding. Here see that, observe, here there is a no 0, here they added 1 0, next 2 zeros. See that 10 crores 100 millions, 1 crore 10 millions, here 1, here 1, there was just add that 1 0 in the international system. 1 crore 10 million, 10 crores add 1 more 0, then it will become 100 millions. 100 crores, that is what? 1 billion. 100 crores is equal to what? 1 billion, right? So this is the, you have to remember this, you have to remember this particular table. You have to remember this particular table, because of this is a very important. So the some concepts are important, guys. Don't by heart, even though if you have got that 100 out of 100 marks, that is not use. In my point of view, there is no use. The use is what? There is some conversions. May anyone can ask you that in your home or outside or school also, if you don't know that, but even you got that 100 out of 100, but you don't know these concepts, then what the meaning? You by hearted. You by hearted. That's why you got the marks. So here in our IIT session, there is no need to by heart anything. No need to by heart anything. That is simply you remember this relation between Indian system and international system. After that, next see that face value. Do you know what is the meaning of the face value? Face value is nothing but number itself only. Face value is nothing but number itself. For example, here there is a question 4, 5, 2, 1. Out of this, what is the face value of 5? Face value of 5 is that 5 only. Question itself the answer, guys. Question, if there is a question, if they are asked the 9, answer is 9. What is the face value of 8? 8 only. What is the face value of 2? 2 only. Clear? Yes. Now see here, face value is nothing but number itself only. If they here they are given the question 4521 4521, in that what is the face value of 5? 5 only the answer. Okay, and coming to the place values. Coming to the place values, everybody knows that place value, yes, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000 to 2,000, 10,000, lakhs, that is the face values, place value. Now see that question here. What is the question here? 4,56,789, right? So here 9, if you want 9 place value, 9 into 1, because of is a ones place. 8 is the tens place, 8 into 10, it will become tens place. 7 into 100, 100 place. 6 into 1000 place. Means that you have to multiply into number into its place value. Number into place value, right, is nothing but, in other words, face value of the number digit into value of the place. Number into place value or face value. Face value means what? For example, 7. 7 face value is how much? 7 only. If you want to the place value into 100, you have to multiply. That is 700. Place value of 6. 6 into 1000, 6000. Like that you have to write. I hope everybody knows this. And the number system, 0 is called insignificant digit, and that the 1, 2, 3 are called significant digits. Yes, everybody knows this. So one in this condition, what is the up to 1 to 9 or any digit, they are called what? Natural numbers. Yes or no? So here in the natural numbers, now natural number starts from the what? 1 and with infinity, positive infinity. Out of that, one single digit numbers are there. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 9. These are called significant digits. If you include 0 also, if you include the 0 also, it is called insignificant digit, right? 0 is called what? Insignificant digit, and these numbers are called significant digits. Now see, natural numbers, and everybody knows that what is a natural number. Just now only I told that natural numbers are starts from the 1 and ends where positive infinity. Natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and denoted by that capital N, denoted by capital N. This is a way of represented in line diagram, 1, 2 up to so on. Now coming to that, what is the whole numbers? Whole numbers are denoted by that W, capital W, and they are starts from 0 in positive way, 0 to undefined in positive undefined. Positive infinity means 0, 1, 2, 3. In the natural numbers, if I add 0, it will become whole numbers, right? This is the whole numbers. Now coming to that, here see that there is a one point is there. All natural numbers are whole numbers, but not all whole numbers are natural numbers. Got it? All natural numbers means from the 1 to 100, 1 to 20, all natural numbers are not? Yes. All natural numbers are whole numbers, guys, but not whole numbers are natural numbers, because in the whole numbers 0 is including. If you include the 0, you can't say that these are the natural numbers. Okay. If you say the natural number, there is no use of two names. Okay, that is one is a whole numbers and natural. There is no need to read two things. And this third point is very important. The difference of the any two consecutive whole numbers are 1. Do you know what is the meaning of consecutive numbers? Yes. If the numbers are 2, 3 consecutive numbers, 5, 6 consecutive numbers, 11, 12 consecutive numbers, 99, 97 is the consecutive number? No. Because you may understand that consecutive means alternate next numbers, successive numbers. Consecutive means successive numbers. So if you take any successive number or consecutive number from any number system, its difference is must be 1 only. 5 minus 6 minus 5 difference is how much? 1. 99 minus 100 is a difference is 1. How much? 1 only. Right? That is that. Now coming to that integers. Now up to here what we completed, natural numbers and whole numbers. In the both they are dealing that what? Positive only. Yes or no? Yes. If you include the negative, that's called integers. If you include the negative numbers also, it is called integers. And these integers are divided in two types, guys. One is positive integers and one is negative integers. Positive integers are what? Whole numbers are natural, plus 1, plus 2, these are the positive integers, right? Then coming to the negative integers, what? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 are there, na? These are the negative integers. There are infinite positive numbers and to the right of the 0, yes or no? Yes. Infinite negative numbers is the left of the 0. Yes. If you draw the one line here like that, and if you place here 0, and these are the what? Positive numbers are not? Yes, these are the positive number, plus 1, plus 2. The up to here what? Infinite. In the similarly, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. If you write like that, there is a here also infinite. They are telling that only. If the positive side, if there are infinite positive numbers to the right of the 0, yes or no? This is the right side. And this is what? Left side. In the left side, infinite negative numbers to the left of the 0. Yes or no? Yes. Up to that, just read and prepare based on this topic what we are completed now, and just recall the previous topic also, and prepare yourself. You have to go in the number system. Up to that, thank you. Bye bye. Sign off. Again, we will meet in the next class.